Yo, welcome back to another video. Today I want to go over how to read volume in the market. Basically, I want to go over our volume indicator and how I read volume. So let's break it down. So basically what volume is how many people are getting into the market, or how much money is getting put into the market for price action to push in that direction. So what we see right here is we have our volume indicator right below, and what is that? What's that telling us is basically that's that candlestick that is connected to that volume, right? The same volume candlestick that's very bearish right now. Usually what price likes to do is it comes in that direction and takes it out at times, or for future references it's going to let you know that price is going to take that area out, or come back into that area to create more buyers or sellers to continue the trend. It also follows through with trend, what trend you're in, and basically it gives you a confirmation of where price is going to continue from or at. So we'll go, let's say, this volume area right here, right? So when it's a high volume stick, basically that's telling us, a lot of people got into the market within that area, and there's a lot of money sitting in that area, right? So let's say currently on the 4 hour we're bullish, right? So we're making highs, lows, higher highs, higher lows, and so on and so forth. So we create that volume stick, and right above that equalizes to this candle right here. Basically what price is telling me is that eventually price wants to come into this candlestick or break above it, right? So if you don't know what a candlestick is, it's basically an open close. Open, it makes a high, it makes a low, and then it closes, right? So what that tells us is that there's a lot of volume in this area, and what price likes to do is it continues that direction, and what after that intended direction is pushed down below, right? We end up coming and actually taking this high out because we're in an uptrend. So I want to be looking for high volumes to the downside to see where we can anticipate to go to the upside, right? So after this bullish candle, I somewhat know that price is going to come up into this area, right? So it gives me confirmation to break that high. Same thing with this low. All right, we have another candle right up here. So it's a bullish candle, so I want to break below it and take volume out. So what price does, it eventually takes that out to continue higher. Right, same thing, we get another one, get another volume low, push to the upside. And so after price is pushed to the upside, I want to anticipate price to come back to this low, or take out that low. So we just fast forward price, and eventually it does take out that low. And if we can see right here, after it takes out that low, we get that same candle. And this same candle becomes a very strong volume candle. So now I want to anticipate this high getting taken out, and immediately that happens, right? We get a push to the upside. So this is a really cool confirmation to let me know where price could potentially go and what candles hold in the market, and it basically gives me a direction of where price could potentially go on the higher time frame. As you can see, like these strong candles are getting taken out on the 4 hour, so I could catch a trade on the 1 hour depending on what side of the market we're on. So we're bullish, I could catch the trade from to this high and this high right here. because I want to be looking for buys. So I know this area is going to get taken out. So when price is down here, I want to buy. Same thing right here. After price pushed down, it created this strong selling candle, so I know it's going to get taken out, and I'm overall bullish, so I want to anticipate the buys for it to take out this candle, right? So let's fast forward. Okay, so we get another one. I would say this is a medium candle, but it's still volume in it, so we still have volume in it. Price will take that out, right? And then we get another candle, which is a bullish candle, so we want to come below it. This candle is probably going to get taken out by the lows, right? So we'll see. Okay, so after we take that low, and it's kind of funny because they all add up together. And what I mean is that after that low is taken out with strong volume, it's taken out by this candle. But as you can see, there's a lot of volume in this candle as well. So that gives me a confirmation that price could break this high eventually. But it happens most of the time, just depending on what area of the market you are in. And if you're in demand, you want to be looking for buys. If you're in supply, you want to be looking for sales. So let's say you're in demand, right? These bearish candles are very important for you to let you know where price can potentially break and continue upwards, and how far it can go up, right? And that's if you're in demand. If you're in supply, you want to be looking for the buy candles, basically like this area. This candle right here, you want to be looking for price to break that low, right? So if I'm in supply, I want to be looking for sales to break this low. And I know that price would come beneath this low because we have a strong volume. We have strong volume in that area, and price likes to go where volume is in the market. So right here, we're still bullish. We still got demand respecting, and we're creating higher highs. So this down candle also left us a strong volume. So I want a strong volume area. So I want to see price break this high. And if it doesn't, it rejects. That means we probably have a change of market, which means the market's gonna shift in the opposite direction. So we'll see what happens. And then we still want to see our candles from there. So we have a strong candle right here. This bullish candle is very strong. So what I want to see is volume get taken out from right here and continue down. So we get that break to the downside, and then price pushes up right here. Currently creates that strong volume, so I know I want to still break this low. So this kind of gives me confirmation that we are on the sell side of the market. So what I want to do is just look for my supply zones or resistance zones and just sell from there. And after we get that low swept, we'll see what that price we'll see what price will continue to do. But we still want to be looking for that volume, the very strong volume candles. So as you can see, we get another one, bearish one right here. I want to see this get taken out. So we'll see. Also, you also want to look in the back end of the market. As you can see, we have volume, strong volume right here. So I know price wants to come and break below that. We have a strong volume candle right there, and we also have one right here. So price could break either one of these to continue down. or before a push up, but we'll see what happens. But I still know that we have this low volume that needs to be broken. So what price could do is actually break below here, take that strong volume out to continue to take this strong volume out. So, but we'll see what happens. Okay, so we get that strong volume taken out before we get this one taken out. And now we have another one. We'll keep that. We'll keep that. We have another one right here, strong volume candle, right? I want to see that low get taken out as well. Okay, so we get that low taken out, right? And we finally get this volume taken out as well, right? So I just want to see what price does from now. So we get a push up, and I would say this is kind of a strong volume candle as well to the downside. So I would like to see it come up. So after we took this volume out from this candle, I could anticipate a bullish momentum due to this strong wick and close, right? So I could take a buy from this area to this high for like 1.5. Let's see what price does. Probably break even. Yeah, I'd probably put stop loss to break even, but this is just a trade that could potentially happen. I wouldn't take this myself unless I've seen some overall support and resistance areas, but this is just an indicator that'll let you know where price can continue and where price will eventually go to, right? So same thing, we have a medium, I would say medium candle right here, which is this low. So price could eventually come below and break even, but we just want to see what happens. So we did get a bullish push to the upside, which, you know, like I said, what price likes to do is take out that volume, those strong volume candles, and push the opposite direction. So this is very powerful if you're trading support and resistance, smart money concepts like order blocks, things like that. This is a great strategy to see and anticipate where the market could potentially go. So we'll go ahead and do some more so I can show you guys. So that's taken out. We still want to get this low taken out, this one. Let's see. Fast forward. Okay, so we get this low. We get this bearish candle right here. Strong volume. And I want to see it get taken out. Okay, so it didn't get taken out, but I want to see it get taken out. Sometimes what price could do is also add to that volume. So just because it did have strong volume doesn't mean it has to take it out, but it's more likely to. But if that price doesn't, usually, like I said, if the trend changes and now we're bearish, price would also react with that candlestick to push to the downside, right? So we'll get a strong volume candle right here with this push. So I want to see that get taken out. You know, we just find our support zones wherever, and then see where price goes to. Okay, so we did end up taking this volume of the market, right? And we still have this strong bullish candle with high volume that still wants to be taken out. So we did get this candle taken out with this high volume to go to the downside, which is pretty cool. Because this is actually like it works. Like it really works. It'll let you know where price is gonna go and come to, and where price could potentially go. Let's see. Same thing. We have high volume right here in this candle, which price already wicked it, took it out, and then we have another volume. We have another volume candle. So I want to see price break this low. So I do want to see price come lower. We'll see what happens. We'll see. Okay, so we get another high volume bullish candle. So I want to see it get taken out. We'll mark up our support resistance zone. Let's see what price does. We'll go back right here. So we got another strong volume candle to the upside, which I want it to be taken out. Alright, so we can go bearish from here. Stop loss right here, target right here. Let's see what price does. Same thing, we still got another strong bullish volume candle right here that wants to be taken out. Alright, so we're gonna break this low, hit TP. Let's see what price does. Okay. So we can anticipate another trade right here. So we have a strong buy volume candle right up in this area, which could be taken out as well. Price is still going to get in this resistance area, and we'll see what price does. And if you wanted to, you could also take a trade within this area too, right? And target lows still. So we'll see what happens. Straight TP, and this is just using the volume indicator, which is very powerful. And right, this is showing you that it works. Like this basically tells you where the money is in the market and where price could potentially go to. Right, it's all about price action and market movement. Right, so price will always move in the direction where money is sitting, right? So if we have a lot of money sitting in this area on top, price is gonna go to the top side, right? Because if it was easy to make money in the markets, everybody would be making money, but that's not what price is gonna do, right? So it's gonna go in the direction where money's sitting at and take out those zones. So this is a really great indicator if you wanted to add it onto yours and test it out. Like I said, if we're getting a bullish momentum, or if we're getting a bullish candle with strong side, let's say this one right here, if we get a bullish candle that closes bullish, which is my lighter gray, usually you want to anticipate that the price is going to break below it, right? So if we get a bullish candle, we want price to come back down and take it out, and then vice versa with a bearish candle, right? If we get a bearish candle, we want price to come back and take out that strong volume area, right? So we got that bullish candle, which price broke, right? And then we want to look for that bearish candle. Let's do right here. We want to look for that bearish candle, which is this candle right here, for price to break, right? So we continue to go up in that area. So like I said, this is a pretty dope indicator to have on your chart. If you don't have it, get it. It's very useful. And that's basically it for the video. I just wanted to show you guys this indicator, and if you want to add it, go ahead and add it. Here are my settings for it. Here are my settings for it. Okay, so those are my settings for it. If you like it, go ahead and add it to your chart and test it out. Very, very great indicator. I highly recommend it. If you got any questions, anything, let me know. And basically that's it for the video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe to the video, and let me know if you like this type of content, and go ahead and drop what you think in the comment section. Drop some flame emojis if you like it, and if you let me know if you added it to your trading view or your chart markups. That'd be pretty dope. But other than that, that's it for the video. See you guys later on the next one.